Hey, Creeper Truck fans. We were at the Panic Attack all set up. Truck's looking amazing. Got the social medias on. Got the truck. Of course, I've said that already. Got some of the movie weapons. I knocked that over. I'll show you the setup the way I've got it since the truck's been redone. Got to get a bit more weapons and stuff. A couple more creepy boxes. But we'll be at Panic Attack. This is the first week in October 2020. We'll be at Panic Attack tonight and tomorrow night. So come on out and see us.